Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Stephen Adetolu. I am super excited that you are joining me on my YouTube channel today. Well, I'm a Maxwell Leadership Certified Coach, Speaker and Trainer. And on my YouTube channel, look, I just freestyle. I share my personal growth journey, especially based on my decision, the decision that I have made to be successful financially, career-wise, and a business. It's a decision that I made, and I'm sharing every step that I am taking, in order to reach my full potential. And I'm hoping that you would also be learning, even as much as I learn from you, so that we would all grow together. So today I just want to share some actions that I have taken, in order to become financially successful. I am on a journey. Like you all know, success is a journey and not a destination. So I am continuously learning. So let's quickly dive in. Number one is that I made up my mind. It's a decision that I made that I'm going to be financially successful. It's a decision. And because I made that decision, it beholds on me to ensure that every choice, every habit that I am internalizing are aligning with my decision to be financially successful. Look, 80%, of the success you will come from your mindset. And which is why, number one, I committed to a lifelong personal growth and learning. I subjected myself to learning all I can, in the aspect of money, of finance, and some of the books that I read. Look at this book. I read this book long time ago, Multiple Streams of Income by Robert G. Allen. Multiple Streams of Income. Look at this book. I read this book like it's like my Bible. This book is always with me. Think and Grow Rich, by Napoleon Hill. The cash flow quadrant, by Robert Kiyosaki. And how success, because look, I just want to be successful. How Successful People Think by John C. Maxwell. There are a whole lot in my shelf. I will also recommend this book by T. Hecker, The Millionaire Mindset. As well as this book by Clement W. Stone, The Science of Getting Rich. There are a whole lot of them. So I embedded myself in this book. The strategy is to reprogram my mind for financial success and success overall in life. Number two, following the insight, the lessons that I'm learning from the books, from the masterminds, from the master classes, the money workshops that I am attending, I now make up my mind to start budgeting. Look, budgeting, as difficult as it is a way of being in control of your money. If you spend your money without budgeting, then you are simply saying your money is in control of you. But if every month, you sit down like I do, and I write out, I sit down, I take my time and I write out what my expenses is gonna be for the month, my children's school fees, what I'm giving to my wife, what I'm my fuel, all in detail, what I give to my parents, and all of that, all is there. What I give to my church, my tithe, all is budgeted for. My offerings, all are budgeted for. So what this tells me is whatever is not within my budget for that month is not a priority. So I will beg and I'll say, please just wait. So the most important thing for me is to ensure that at least 20-30% of my income is saved for investment. So I have a budget. So you must have a budget. And then number three is that whatever you are saving should have a goal for investment. Otherwise, can I shock you? If you don't have a goal for your savings, it will amount to zero effort. Nobody becomes rich by saving. So you must have a saving goal. For me, my saving goal is for investment. So save, budget, save. And then number 3, invest. Okay, if you go back to my previous video, don't just invest with any organization. Okay, make sure you do a thorough research. And my three organizations that I will recommend to you if you are beginning, okay, your journey in the world of investment is PiggyVest. PiggyVest for high yield savings. I use them for my high yield savings. I keep my money there for like a year, and I earn 22%. For instance, I keep a million. I'm not too comfortable speaking about my money here. Okay, so online in particular, 1 million naira I kept in PiggyVest, and I get instant 22%. Okay, for a whole year. So just imagine keeping 5M and all of that. Imagine what happens. Okay, that's the power of compounding. And this interest, because I don't need the 22 or 20K, okay, I reinvested. Okay, and at the end of the year, what I do, I pick all this money and I put them in Meristem, where I buy real assets. I invest my money in, for instance, treasury bills, bonds, commercial paper, real estate. Okay, very important. You must take this money that you are investing to buy assets. Okay, these assets will generate the money that you use to fund your lifestyle. Very important. Okay, and what more? The last one is that beside my job, I acquired a high income skill. Okay, that is, I sell my expertise. Please take note of this. Do not rely on one income source. For instance, I know I'm a gifted speaker. Okay, I am called to the last, a couple of, sometime in January, February. Okay, I had 2 speaking engagements and I was paid. This money augmented my salary. Okay, I have a coaching program, okay, where I help people, okay, transform their minds such that they can navigate, okay, the vicissitudes of life and reach their highest potential financially and otherwise. This is what I do beside my 9-to-5 job. I have a 9-to-5, but I don't rely on that income source only. So this is how I augment my salary. So should you want to attain financial success, you must endeavor to follow all of these principles or guides that I have just laid out. Okay, just for the sake of recapping, I'll tell you, the first one has to do with reprogramming my mind. And how do I do it? I read books, because 80% of whatever we are going to churn out in your outcome is going to be a function of your mindset. So what better way to change my mindset by reading the right books that align with the kind of success that I deserve. Okay, and then number 3 is that I have a budget for virtually every of my finance. Okay, and number 3 is that, look, every money that comes to you, okay, every money that comes to you has a seed. There's a seed in that money. So wherever I earn, I keep a percentage for savings in a high yielding savings account. And then number 4 is that this money is transferred into a saving, an investment vehicle. And I buy assets. Okay, I buy assets with my savings. Okay, nobody saves their way to riches, but investment is a long-term process to building wealth. Okay, wealth building is a journey. Okay, financial success is a journey, and it starts with all of these steps that I have just highlighted. And number 5 is that you continue learning. Okay, you continue learning, acquire high income skills. Okay, and build a business around this income skill. Build a business around your knowledge, around your skill. And this is what I teach. I believe that every one of us has got value. And what I help individuals do is that I help them identify their values, match it to problems, okay, that are available in the market, and then package this their value in the form of a product and service, build a personal brand around it, and then they sell it. And in exchange, they solve people's problem and they are paid. So offer useful service. This is how you create other sources of income. So that is it today for today. Thank you immensely. If you've watched thus far and you believe this video has blessed you, please give this video a like. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that notification bell so that whenever I churn out fantastic, life transforming videos like this, you would be notified. Please share this video with your loved ones. And remember, give this video a like so that we will tell YouTube algorithm that this video is valuable, and they will in turn share it with as many people that need to see it. But most importantly, please subscribe and keep checking. Check my other videos, visit my store, and equip yourself for financial success, because financial success is your heritage. I'll see you in the next video. I love you. Cheers.